In this video, we are going to show you how to perform the spool valve coating on a new Holland T7 tractor. Once the new rear spool valve is installed by using Jaltest, connection is established to the REHR spool valve system of the New Holland T7 Series Auto Command Tier 5-stage V tractor. Once connected to the system, the uncoded spool valve is identified. To do this, the connector must be moved to the rear location. The two locations where the diagnostics connector is located are shown in the video. The option, Unicene spool valve, uncoded spool valve, is selected and then the desired new position for the spool valve. Step 4. The final table shows the presence of all the spool valves installed on the tractor. Once the coating is complete, it is necessary to return to the initial connector to disconnect the system.